Hi, today we have for you a special double unboxing of two excellent Dongle Dac apps, the Aune Yuki and the ambitious Shanling UA4. Starting with the Aune Yuki, starting with the packaging, it looks really nice. I really like the box of this device. It looks quite premium as well, very artistic. It's paper made, looks like recycled paper, so it looks also quite environmental friendly. Nice golden logo. You can see how nice this box looks. It's really cool actually. Opening up the box, you have this little paper that you can actually with a QR code that you can scan and have a look on the manuals. You get the accessories, a nice USB adapter and the cable, the USB-C to USB cable. Nice cable, white, golden plated, quite flexible, so that's nice, I like it. And then you have the Yuki itself. Really nice case, good construction, feels sturdy in the hand. White with golden details. You get also the really nice glass panel that you can actually see the electronics. This is really cool. Double outputs, balance and single output. Yuki with golden letters, high-res audio logo and volume buttons, and of course the USB-C connector. And that's the Yuki. Really nice device. Well done, Aune. Moving to the Sounlink UA4, again really nice box, a little bit more classic but really well made. You have the MQA logo, you have the high-res logo. Let's open the box. You can actually see the device itself and the USB adapter. Standard USB adapter, really nice. Again, you get the device. We'll have a look in a moment. And of course, you are getting the cable and some paperwork inside the box. The cable again feels really good in the hand. A little bit stiffer than the Yuki, but still really nice. The device itself again feels really nice in the hand. Very good construction, aluminum construction. You have a little LCD screen over there, 3 buttons on the top. Again the 2 outputs, balance and single-ended, and the USB connector. Again feels premium actually, and it's really good. Glossy back, matte aluminium the rest of the device, Sounlink logo, high-res logo, UA4. So please remember to like and subscribe. We have the 2 individual reviews coming for these 2 excellent DAC amps, and also we'll have various comparisons with my amazing iBasso Elite and of course my beloved QStyle M12. So it will be very interesting to see the comparison between them. Until then, happy listening.